Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the UK's leading installers of Starline security. Today we've protected this 2022 Range Rover Velar with a Starline Pro. The way it works, if someone obviously hopped in, cloned the key, went to drive the car away, as soon as they select drive or reverse, the car will switch off, as you can see. So the customer needs to go through authorization. This can be done by either pairing their phone up with a Bluetooth range or by going through a push sequence on the vehicle. So with the phone, it will start up, they can drive it as normal. With the push sequence, what they do is start it up. Before selecting their gear, they pop in their push sequence. We've left it as 1, 2, 3. Hear a melody, and now they can select their gear and drive. As you can see, the vehicle doesn't stall out. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll do is ignition on, disarm it either through their phone, through Bluetooth, as we've done, or with the push sequence. Now we'll press one of the buttons 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cycle the ignition off and back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. There we go. So now we'll just change it to front, back, front, back. We'll get a confirmation and repeat that code again. There we go. Once again, front, back, front, back. We should get the same confirmation if those two codes are correct. We've got that, so they are, so ignition off. So now we'll give it 10 seconds. We'll make sure our Bluetooth's off on our phone. So we're giving it 10 seconds. We'll start the vehicle up. Pop our disarm code in that we changed. And hear our melody. Now we can select a gear with our new code. If this vehicle goes back to Range Rover, it will want to be put into service mode, so it acts like a normal vehicle. How you do that, ignition on, disarm the system, whether that's with the code or the phone. Now we'll press any button 11 times and we'll cycle the ignition off and on, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go, there's our 2 bleeps. Now this is in service mode. So now it behaves as a normal vehicle. We start it up. Range Rover can drive it around their workshop. No need for a code or a phone. It will go into gear as if it was a normal car and doesn't have anything fitted. When you get it back, you're obviously going to want it protected, and the way you turn the system back on is to start the vehicle up and pop your disarm code in as you normally do. And as you hear, we get 2 bleeps as opposed to the normal disarm tone. That confirms it's come out of service mode. If you want to double check that, obviously turn the vehicle off, make sure your Bluetooth's off on your phone, or your phone's not within range. Start the vehicle up and try and select your gear. As you can see, it dies. That confirms that the system's back on and the vehicle's protected. If you want to get one of these installed, we're Immobiliser Fit. We've installed this on a 2022 Range Rover Velar. If you want to get one of these, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.